Assalamualaikum friends, you are watching Star Technology 5G. In today's video I will show you how you can change the LED patterns. Let's start the video. How we can change the LED pattern. Project description. In this project, LED is connected to the port C of the PIC16F887 microcontroller, and the microcontroller is operated from a 4 MHz crystal. LEDs are connected in a current sourcing mode, and the value of the resistor is 290 ohm. When power is applied to the microcontroller or when the microcontroller is reset, the LED change pattern and there is a delay between the output, so the LED can be seen turning on and off. Circuit diagram. Here is the circuit diagram. This is the PIC16F887. Here is the 4 MHz crystal. We are using 4 MHz crystal, and crystal is connected with port pin number 13 and 14, and we are using 22 PF capacitor. It is port C. LEDs are connected in port C, and we are using current sourcing mode. The value of the resistor is 290 ohm, and we are using 8 LEDs, and 8 LEDs are interfaced with the port number C of the microcontroller. Other side of the resistor is connected with the ground. Let's draw this circuit in a PORTC, and after that we will test this circuit. Friends, circuit is ready. Now we will write its code in MPLAB. After that we will test this circuit. Friends, main file is ready. I already wrote a code, otherwise video get very long. I will copy this code and I will paste it. Here is the PIC16F887 configuration bit. and this is the XC header file, and here is the PIC16F887 header file. Here we define a crystal frequency. We are using 4 MHz crystal. This is the function of the delay. From here main code is start. In main code we define port C as a output port. We send 0x00. It will set port C as a output port. After that we assign a one variable name of x. Here is the for loop. It is the endless loop. In for loop we use x in for loop. First of all the value of the x is equal to a 0. After that the value of the x is equal to a less than 5, and we will increment the value of x with the step of 1. After that we will send 0xAA. This is the hex code. The value of the hex code is 10 10 10 and 10. It will send this code to the port C. After that it will take delay, and we will again send 0x55 to the port C. The value of the 0x55 is 01 01 01 and 01. First we send 1010. After that we will send 0101. After that it will take delay, and it will repeat this code 5 times. After that we again use x into a for loop. The value of the x is equal to a 0, and the value of x is equal to a less than 10, and we will increment the value of x. After that we will send 0xCC. The value of the 0xCC is equal to a 1100 1100. That is a binary, and this is the hex code. We will send this hex code to port C, and we will take delay, and we will send another code to the port C 0x33. The binary code of the 0x33 is equal to a 0011 0011, and after that we will take another delay. In this for loop we use 200 as a delay. In first one we use 250. Now this time we decrease the value of the delay. This for loop repeat 10 times. After that we again use x in another for loop. The value of the x is equal to 0, and value of the x is equal to less than 15, and we will increment the value of x. After that we will send a code 0xF0. The value of the 0xF0 is equal to a 1111 0000. It will send this code to the port C, and it will take delay, and again we will send another code 0x0f. The value of the 0x0f is equal to a 0000 1111, and it will take another delay. At the end we have delay function. We define two variables, name of y and z, and we will use that variable into a delay. After completing this code, it will again repeat this code again and again. Now we will create a hex file. Just click on the main project. File is created. Now we will load this file into our circuit. Just double click on the microcontroller and select the hex file. Desktop, PIC16F887, LEDs pattern, and select hex file. Open, OK, and click on run simulation. Here you can see LED changing pattern. Here is the first. Now it is repeating second code. After that it will repeat this one. Now it will repeat this code 15 times. Now it's again repeating this one. Friends, if you get any problem in code, let me know in comments, and keep watching Star Technology 5G.